Welcome back. We are in a brand new trade week looking at April 19th, in between the gap of the Sunday open before Asia starts. And last week, take a quick peek, we had a big move up and then it faded for the rest of the day short. I do see where price has already hit my TDI 20 down here with a pop out. So that is telling me that this is a pretty good low. And so I'm going to be looking for a W inside of my prime trading window once it opens. So Asia is open now. Mark this low here. So I want this low to hold. Either price can go to it and reject, or it can go just below it and reject. So we're in the Asia window right now. We are above the 50, and we already have some divergence here where it pushed out and then it's closing lower. All right, prime window is open, and I'm still looking for this thing to dip below the 50 before it continues on. And the only reason that I am thinking that this is a long here is because of this here, okay? And there we go. Now it's dipping below the 50. So this is the trap move. Now this thing kind of played with the 50 the whole way up, which kind of makes that a little difficult to draw. But here is the channel where it's playing with the 50 inside or just before the window. The fact that it's moving upwards with the 50 also tells me that this thing wants to move upwards, but there's already a lot of upward pressure, but it has to do the trap first. And that's what this is right here. So we got our trap. It's going to go below the 50 just like it did. So I'm going to draw this low here because when it paints its W leg, I want this low to hold. There we go. The candle we're going to enter on is this little candle right here. You see that is the green red cross. Okay. So I'm going to take a long position. I'm going to put it in right there. And we are going to set profit at 30 pips, stop loss at 15 pips. And that is our trade. I also see that we have a shark here or a little pop out here, green red cross there. Okay. That is my entry long. And let's see how this one plays out. I expect it's going to play out fast because of all the pressure that there already is. It comes back, retests this channel, retest the bottom, retest the top, hits it again, bottom and the top. And there you are. You are in profit, or you have taken your profit right here. Cleared by about 5:20 in the morning, Hawaii time. All right, that was a really easy, very simple trade. And again, you were looking for longs because of this opening right here. This opening right here was your cue that you would have been looking for longs, okay? And then it went up from here, played with the 50, came back down, painted your W under the 50 inside of our prime window before it took off. If you were to stay up and watch this one, there would have been no reason for you to second guess yourself because price stayed on top of the 50 almost the entire time. And when it did come down, it pushed down, okay, really fast, and then kind of pulled it right back up. So if this thing in any way would have been going short, you would have seen it come down and go like that, but it didn't. Price the whole time stay on top of the 50. So that would have been your confirmation, as well as this, that you would have been going long for this trade. Take a snapshot. That is your perfect trade for April 19, 2026. We'll see you for tomorrow's trade.